Hey, I'm Kirby and you are watching KIRBBQ. Thank you for tuning in and watching my channel today. Today I'm going to be doing a product review of a rub that I came across. It's called Dixion's BBQ Rub. It's from Dixion's BBQ Rub I-70 BBQ Rub. Alright, and this is Texas Tennessee BBQ Rub blend. It has a real nice savory smell to it and really gets your palate salivating for it. Let me share this just about rubs. Everybody has their own personal preference for what they want on their particular barbecue meat, and I know a lot of us guys do product reviews. And some may say, well, can they all be great? They can all be great to varying degrees. If you want to know my top 5 rubs, my top 5 rubs are, of course, in all honesty, is Malcolm Reed's barbecue, the barbecue rub. After that is Eat Barbecue, Bride Gray's, Jeff Pavek's barbecue gold line, and of course KIRBBQ, and after that Williams Rib Tickler. Those are my go-to rubs. Even though the flavor profiles are somewhat similar, one give me a little more heat when I need heat, one give me a little bit more savory when I need savory, one give me a little bit more sweet when I need sweet. So when I'm doing something, I'm usually playing with one of those 5 rubs. And so, what's your personal preference when it comes to rub? Find the rub that you like and stick to it. Again, I'm going to be giving this rub a try, and I'll be posting the information below in the description if you would like to order yourself some of this rub. Alright, let's move on and season the chicken. Alright, here I have some drumsticks and some thighs, and I just trimmed a little bit of the fat off the thighs, and I peeled the skin back because I want to get some of the seasoning on the meat. And then I'm just going to give it a heavy coating. And again, it's a real savory smelling rub, and I tell you, my palate is just watering from the scent. And I've had this rub for quite some time, and I've used it in different dishes that I've cooked. I did some Southwest egg rolls a while ago. As a matter of fact, I got a video I'm going to do for those pulled pork Southwest egg rolls. And I mixed it up in some baked beans and stuff, but this, I just wanted to showcase this rub alone, so that's why I didn't air none of those other products, other cooks when I did them, because I just want the rub to stand out by itself. Alright. And I'm going to hit the outside. Alright, I got these all seasoned up. I'm going to go ahead and let them sit and go get my grill ready. I'm going to put them on the grill. I'm going to go indirect on the grill today and Well, so I'll see you out at the grill. Okay, here is the finished product. These pieces of chicken here are seasoned with Dixion's I-70 BBQ Rub. And these are with my KIRBBQ chicken rub. I'm not going to taste mine. I already know how to taste. But I'm going to taste his. I sauced those 4 pieces there. I didn't sauce these 2 because I just wanted to get a taste of the rub itself. Here's the chicken. I'm going to take a bite out of it. That's how good it was. Down to the bone. Let me try a piece with the sauce on it. So that. So I'm going to take a bite. It's a pretty good rub. That is a pretty good rub. What? Nope. Sorry for eating my mouth full. But I would say that Dixion's I-70 BBQ Rub is another good rub. You know, if you're looking for something, want to try something new, something different, give them a call. Check them out. Look them up on Facebook. Dixion's I-70 BBQ Rub. Really good. It tastes pretty good on chicken. Alright, that concludes my cook for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you like what you saw here. Share it with a friend. Share it on Facebook. I really like this chicken, man. I like it. I'm trying some of this juicy chicken. This is good. Alright, well, I'm tired of smacking in y'all ear. Thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe. God bless. Have a great day.